Miranda, Coach Miranda Miner here. Do you want to earn additional income by just spending 1 hour of your day? Why don't you try cryptocurrency trading? Trading in crypto is just 1 hour business that can give you the potential to earn more. But earning more means you have to invest in your learning, right? Pero how? Hear me out, Miranda, because I have a good news for you. Our Miranda Miner Elite University offers easy-to-understand courses about cryptocurrency trading at the most affordable enrollment fee in the market. So, what are you waiting for? Learn more so that you can earn more. With the Miranda Miner Elite University, I will see you in our class.
Hey Miranda, this is Mentor Luke.
And I'm Mentor Oliver.
Do you know what's happening on September 29?
Sa araw na ito, meron tayong event called Open University.
So ano nga ba ang Open University?
In this event, we are going to answer all your questions about Elite University, including enrollment procedures, frequently asked questions, combo packages, at yung bootcamp.
So if you are interested and excited to start your cryptocurrency trading journey, type ELITE in the comment section below.
See you this September 29, Miranda, and
We love you 3,000!
Hello, Miranda. I'm Mentor Rose.
I'm Mentor Luke.
Are you an experienced crypto trader and interested in cryptocurrency certification?
O are you a newbie in crypto na hindi alam kung paano at saan magsisimula?
We have good news, Miranda. Global Miranda Miner Elite University is now offering a crypto primer course just for you.
You can learn more about cryptocurrency, NFT, DAOs, Web 3.0 when you enroll in our crypto primer course.
And wait, there's more. We will issue a certificate after you take the course so you can be a certified crypto NFT decentralized finance professional.
Wow! So ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit us at our official website www.globalmirandaminer.com.
Hurry and enroll now, Miranda.
See you in our classes!
Kahit ano mangyari ka, Miranda, ipangako mo sa sarili mo, you will never give up on trading. You will continue learning. You will put your eyes on the road, eyes on the price, eyes on the target. Andito lang kami. I will help you. You will be successful. You are successful. Claim it. We are here to support you. Hey Miranda, isang magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. My name is Coach Miranda Miner and welcome to our Wednesday edition. Friday na po ba agad? Gusto ko mag-Friday agad, Miranda, no? So welcome to our Wednesday edition of our Coach Miranda Miner daily cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, market update, and everything in one channel. Actually, we're supposed to be going live in Binance. Nagkaroon ng konting-konting technical difficulty, so we're not gonna be going live today. Pero, naku, nakaka-proud ito, Miranda. Alam mo, talagang, ay nako, grabe. I'm really, really proud to say that we actually are in the Binance Live front page. Okay, we're actually in the Binance Live front page. Woo! Grabe, guys. I'm just really very, very, very proud. Let me actually just share my screen to all of you real quick right now. Tingnan mo yan, Miranda. Take a look at that, right? Look at me. We're in the front and center of Binance Live. This is actually our show. We're actually starting together with another YouTuber, Dora Hacks. No, Dora Hacks is actually talking about DAO hackathon. But take a look at who's the Filipino who's actually doing Binance Live today. None other than Coach Miranda Miner. One of the pioneers. No, I think there's one more Filipino, Crypto for Chan or Crypto for Chun. I think I've met him already in one of our conferences dyan sa Okada. But I'm very proud. Salamat kapwa nating Pinoy. Mabuhay po ang mga Pilipino na nasa Binance Live ngayon na nag-live po, no, ng ating mga educational contents and information. Palakpakan naman natin. Maraming salamat, Miranda, and continue to help us to spread the culture of malasakit at tumulong po tayo mag-educate ng mga Filipino to become an educated part of our crypto world. Alright, type number 1 kung nakikiisa ka kay Miranda Miner, magpalaganap ng educational materials para marami pa tayo matulungan. Type number 1 below. And of course, please like our live for today. Alright, so our live for today has something to do about, okay, our topic for today is about, the September CEO latest. Everything that you need to know. Of course, Kwon, the very big guy on top of me here, right? But the other two you don't know. There are a couple of things I'd like you guys to really understand. They're gonna be the movers and shakers, and maybe there's something, some scoop that I would like you to know, Miranda. I would like you to know these scoop for the next couple of minutes. No, we're gonna be discussing that. But before that, Miranda, let's quickly go on with our market. If you remember yesterday or last night, sabi natin kahapon that potentially Nasdaq can correct on this area, otherwise gagawa po yan ng double bottom, no, or pwedeng gumawa ng double top depending on what type of support can be broken or line. So true enough, Miranda, all right, true enough, the price of Nasdaq retraced from this particular resistance line, no, actually here to be precise. So it retraced, no, and as I've said, why do I think this is going to be retracing? Why did I say that yesterday? I want to give you a couple of inputs as to why I said it will retrace. Couple of things. Miranda, napakapangit po ng market. Take a look at this Asian market, guys. Asia Dow down 184 basis points, Nikkei down 150 basis points, Hang Seng, Shanghai, Sensex, Singapore down 341, 158, 89, and 155 basis points. All of them are down. Okay, when you go to the European market, boom, all of them are down as well. What is happening, Miranda Miner? Right, FTSE is down 41 basis points, DAX 50 basis points, CAC 61, FTSE MIB is down 119, IBEX 68, stocks is down 55 or 59 basis points. And obviously from a US perspective, a little bit of a mixed market, but net Nasdaq is still within the critical territory. And of course, we're going to be looking into our potential open of the market. It's everyone's ball game. Market is going to open on a mixed bag. Everyone is actually below the 50 basis points positive on negative. So basically, it's going to be an everyone's ball game for today. But obviously, from a big market picture perspective, Miranda, what is happening? I mentioned yesterday the power of dollar. The power of the dollar is crazy, 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 crazy. No, the power of the dollar is still there on top, and it's creating a havoc to all of other currencies. As I've said, British pound is being hammered. They're wanting to drive parity, and euro is being hammered. They wanted to drive parity. Yen is being salvaged by the Japanese government. Okay, yen is being salvaged, right? So everyone right now is crazy, excuse me, doing everything that they need to do in their ammunition with their central banks to raise the specific interest rates. So what does that mean? What's going to be happening, Miranda, is everyone's going to be raising interest rates, which will mean they will do the same drill like what Nasdaq is experiencing, like what Dow is experiencing. Every one of the markets is going to experience the drawdown simply because their central banks are going to raise their interest rates. So overall, what do we need to expect? What do we need to do? As I've said, do not enter Bitcoin until there is a trend resistance breakout. Miranda, sinabi ko po yan kagabi. If you guys would have recalled, I've actually mentioned that, and I'm not going to be entering this particular coin unless it has actually broken out of its major resistance. Let's just quickly listen to this. Okay, so if you don't know Osher, please take my course in the Beginners University. Okay, there's a commercial really quick. Just give me a second. I'm going to skip this. Resistance, and this one we are nearing a potential breakout. So I'm just gonna be waiting for this. And as I've said, middle of October is what we're gonna be waiting for from the apex of consolidation perspective. So be very, very mindful of this. Please type number 1 if you already took down notes on our technical analysis. Okay? For October, we are potentially going to see, listen to this, Miranda, okay? As I have said on the past couple of live, okay? We are potentially going to see either a breakout very, very soon, but we're going to see that if this one happens, okay? If this one happens, okay? We're going to see, let me just quickly move my good-looking picture. Give me a second. So for those that have not watched our live yesterday. So Miranda, you might probably see, so you're seeing here a resistance. Wait for a breakout of the coin around 20,991. Okay, that's the most immediate. That is the most immediate price that we're looking for. Almost the same thing as 0.382 here, no? And when that happens, we need volume and we need Nasdaq to confirm. So from a Fibonacci technical resistance, I'm going to look for around 20,000 range. It's good to use this because you have consistent support on this area. This can work as your old support, use as a resistance or Osher. Okay, so if you don't know Osher, please take my course in the Beginners University. So you have resistance, and this one we are nearing a potential breakout. So I'm just gonna appropriate pressure, okay? Okay, you might be wondering why am I talking in straight English? Okay, because I spoke. All right, so as I've said yesterday, if you watched my live yesterday, Miranda, we're talking about what's our discarte in Bitcoin, no? Because obviously, sumabay po yan, no? When Nasdaq, if you guys would have noticed, when we click on Nasdaq dito, halos sumabay yan kagabi, no? And sabi ko, alam mo, tama talaga yung ating diskarte. Kasi if you would have noticed kagabi, halos nagre-retrace na yan around 22:30 ng gabi. Bumababa na po yung price na yan, you know? So it's actually going down. So when you click on Bitcoin, around the same time, no? Around the same time, okay, 2,200 yan. Bumababa na po yan. No? Sumusunod na po siya. Okay? So hindi na tumuloy kasi si Nasdaq nag-correct na. No, hindi niya na inabot yung 0.5 resistance. You know, when Mentor Luke and I were teaching earlier with the foreign students, tinart namin to eh. Nakita namin hindi na umabot ng 0.5, nakita nyo? And sometimes you need to ask yourself, bakit hindi umaabot ng 0.5? Ano yung mga other drivers? Because they're correlated to a bigger market. In this case, during this time, Miranda, as I've said, you know, nagkaroon ng correction play si Nasdaq, tapos po nag-follow si Bitcoin. Diba? And then eventually, you know, they you know, actually even here, no, around 28, yan, tumuloy-tuloy na po. Yan, tumuloy-tuloy na po yan dito. Pero noong 27, which is kahapon, yan, ayun, tumuloy-tuloy pababa na. So nagkaroon ng correlation or correlated move. And if you watch one of my videos, Miranda, isingit ko lang ito, no. I don't know if you guys would have seen this video, pero isingit ko lang ito. Videos, okay. Biggest why, I'm looking for some of the videos that I've already created. There are 5 different there you go. Actually, the market is inefficient. Magandang video ito. The market is inefficient, and what are the 5 types of skills that you need to have? 3 yon, 5 yon. Sabi ko sa isa, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and there's one more. I said correlation between markets. Dapat malaman mo yung 3 yon, ha? Dapat malaman mo yon. So, expect for that video to come out, yung mga ganyang reels natin, mga 3 minutes. I'm doing some little bit of power knowledge to be absorbed. Mga power videos ko yan. Mga madadaling ma-absorb in 3 minutes yan. So, panoorin mo yan. Abangan mo yan, Miranda. Also, subscribe to our channel if you would like to be part of those power word videos na makukuha mo in as fast as 3 minutes. Yan, less than 3 minutes actually, no? Okay, so let's now quickly go on with Bitcoin. So as I've said, no, I'm not going to position until it breaks out. Pero, Miranda, the good news here is that there is a potential apex, di ba? There's an apex that's happening right now. So gagawin natin dito, mag-aabang na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo magpakandahira pa, no? Mag-abang na lang tayo. And basically, we're talking about, you know, on a very, very big scale, mid of October, Miranda, antayin na lang po natin yan. Antayin na lang po natin yung middle of October na yan. And at the end of the day, actually malapit na po yan, you know? Either what we're thinking, a potential breakout can happen if you're going to be going to the 4 hours here. So a potential 17,500 can be the support. Medyo nag-aalangan talaga ako. Ito napakapangit ng formation na to be honest with you. Nag-aalangan ako dyan. Wag lang sanang bumigay si Nasdaq. Baka bumigay tayo ng 17 eh. Pag si Nasdaq, Miranda, bumigay ito, inaantay ko, almost the same sila eh. Mapapansin mo magkamukha sila oh. Halos magkamukha kasi bumigay na to ng 2-year support eh, multi-year support. So alam ko bababa talaga yan dyan. No? And if you will notice naka Mickey Mouse formation na to, at mukha sa mukha, baka pwede niyang hatawin tong 11,025. And if this happens, again, hindi malaya mangyari, baka hatawin ni Bitcoin itong si 17,000. So, wag muna tayo mag-position, Miranda. The brave money should come in these 2 areas, okay? The brave money should come here and here. No? And besides, hindi naman po sobrang layo niyan. Oh, around 7% delta lang po yan paakyat. Huwag na po tayo maatat. And pababa naman po, it's around almost on the 7 percentage point delta. So, in between, it's a mixed bag kasi nasa gitna ka ng apex. Diba? You're actually in the middle of apex. So, at the end of the day, your risk-reward ratio is just the same. If you are in the middle, for example, let's just do that real quick. No? So, let's do a long position. So, technically, the reward ratio is just 1. Nakita mo yan? Almost perfect, oh. It's just risk-reward ratio is just 1 kasi nasa gitna ka na eh. You're in the middle of your triangle. So, what you need to do, if you enter right now, it's a 50-50 para ka nag-coin toss. Can you please type number 1 kung naiintindihan yung sinasabi ko? Para ka nag-coin toss dyan kasi in the middle of the apex ka. Pag umakyat yan, di ba, nag-short ka. Kung bumaba yan, nag-buy long ka. I mean, it's in the middle. It's in the middle. So, from a position trader perspective, just wait for that. Otherwise, what you can do is just to zoom in. Or just get the micro swings, right? From a market structure perspective, as I've said, no? Diba? Your downward trend is not always necessarily going to your downward trend. Gagawa po ng mga impulses yan. So you have your swing high here, you have your low, you have your lower high, lower low, lower high. Gagawa po ng mga impulses. So ito yung mga kunin mo mga impulse. Kunin mo yung mga impulses niya. At habang umaakyat naman, for example, from your swing low to swing high, gagawa po ng market structure. From swing low, you have your high, higher low, higher high. You have your higher low, and then obviously you have your higher high. You have your higher low. So at the end of the day, kunin mo yung mga retracement points niya. Diba? Kunin mo yung mga kunin mo yung mga retracement points niya if you're wanting to do sell short. Diba? Or kunin mo yung mga breakout points niya from the swing low to the higher high. Higher low to the higher high. Kunin mo yung mga in-betweens niyan. Yun ang laro mo dyan, Miranda. Diba? Kunin yung laro mo, breakout, swing high, higher high, higher low, tapos susunod ka dito ng higher high ulit. Eh di kunin mo to yung mga ganyang retracements. Yan ang kukunin mo laro. Diba? Kunin mo na micro swing level. But if you're going to do a position play on Bitcoin on a big picture, huwag mo nang kunin. It's just 50-50, Miranda. Position traders, brave money traders, investors, value investors, just wait. Anday ka na lang. Walang mawawala sa'yo. Wait for your big money here. Okay, of course, when it hits here, kailangan mo ng confirmation, ha? Kasi malaki yan, mahaba yan. Almost multi-year breakout yan. Okay, wag naman po sanang abutin dito when Nasdaq goes down a little bit as well. And obviously, ang pangit po ng market kasi lahat po ng mga central banks nagtataasan po, di ba? European Central Bank interest rate hikes. Tingnan natin. Interest rate hikes. Let's go to the news. Ayan, no? They're planning all to use ECB. Bank of England, BOE interest rate hikes. Let's look for the news. Ayan, no? Another one. Bank of England is going to force significant rate rise increases. Oh, BSP, una tayong lumayo. Interest rate hike. Una tayong lumayo, guys. Philippines, are they going to increase interest rates? Ayun na naman, BSP sees rate hike in November. Everyone's wanting to raise interest rates. And it's because devalue yung pera. Miranda, alam nyo ba ang piso ngayon? 59 pesos na. Ang piso po to US is already 59 pesos. Kailangan lumaban ang Pilipinas o sa pagtaas po ng US dollar crushes all its Asian peers. So ang nangyayari, dalawang klase ng tao ang meron ngayon. Unang-una, bibili ba ako ng Bitcoin? Will I protect my money? Will I go to USDT? Or will I continue to go with my money that's depreciating? Siyempre, ako papalit ko na yan. Ipapalit ko na yan, Miranda. Mabot na po. Baliktad na po ngayon, no? Sa talagang sabi ko, baliktad 59 pesos na. Diba? So that's everyone. Everyone's gonna be doing that drill, no? So what do you need to do as a trader from a position trading perspective? Wait, pero you can trade those swings, no? Yung mga micro swings po natin. Alright? Yan po ang ating overall market. Bigyan ko kayo ng konting palabok or konting charting maya-maya. But let's quickly go with our topic for today. Our topic for today is about itong tatlong tao na to. Who are they? What do they do? Etc. etc. And also, I would like to insert already congratulations again to the student who won 1,015% in this particular trade. Graduate po siya ng ating Miranda Minor Elite University. Miranda, I want you to listen to his testimonial tomorrow. Meron po kaming Open University for free. He's gonna be there. He's gonna be talking about this trade. Another special guest is Jella, yung ating pong college student na kung naaalala ninyo nakapag 1,000% PNL po yan. PNL, hindi lang port snap ha. PNL, no? Estudyante yan, no? So we're gonna be listening to her testimonial tomorrow. Abangan po ninyo yan. And of course, congratulations sa mga nanalo po, no, ng $200 because of your deposit, no? Nag-deposit lang kayo ng $1,000, nanalo kayo agad ng $200 bonus. Abangan nyo yung mga ganyang promotions natin for BingX, and make sure that you downloaded BingX using my profile. Andiyan po yan, SOIJXFND. Meron tayong isusunod, napakagandang promotion. Abangan ninyo. Liliitan ko yung deposit sa mga bagong users, pero meron pa ring bonus. Abangan niyo yan, ha? Abangan niyo yan. Alright, next. Let's quickly now go. Of course, tomorrow yung ating Open University. And, naku, yung marami po nag-aabang dito. Yung ating master class for Fibonacci. Naku, excited na ako. For the price of 299 pesos, I'll give you a 3-hour non-stop Fibonacci from soup to nuts. From simula hanggang pinakadulo. And it's actually recorded, and you can have the access to the recording for the next 30 days. All right. Sino ba tong tao? Sino ba tong tatlong tao na ito? Who are they? Of course, Kwon. What have happened to Kwon? What have happened to Kwon? Of course, medyo bumibigay ulit no ang ating Lunsi because ang dami. Alam mo, do you know that Lunsi has a 62% volatility? Times 2, it's 130% almost. It can wipe you out, guys. If you're not used on trading these types of coins, do not trade this coin. I'm telling you right now, wipe out ka dyan. Pag hindi ka marunong. Pag hindi ka talaga marunong. So right now, ang pinaka-news natin sa taong ito, aba, 'di ba? So sabi ng South Korea government, they're wanting to freeze almost 3/4 of a $62 million of Bitcoin linked to the account of crypto founder Kwon. So actually, to be honest with you, yung kanyang Twitter, the last tweet was September 18. Alam niyo ba yon? September 18, maraming nag-aabang sa kanya. Marami nag-aabang kay September 18. Nice, September. Nag-aabang kay Kwon. Kasi meron na siyang 9 hours yan. Alright. Actually, September 18, no? Meron na siyang 9 hours ago. So, September 18 and then another, sinasabi niya ngayon, ito daw ay misinformation na sinasabi. So, we'll see. We'll see. But this is creating havoc to the price of the coin. Look at this, Miranda. Take a look at this price. Take a look at this price. Take a look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Do you know if you use a Bollinger Band, the volatility will show 62%? Do you know that? Take a look at your one-day time frame. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Look at the volatility here. Diba? In a span of from here to here, in a span of 18 days, the coin dropped 70% of its price. 17 days in 3 weeks. You see, the price of the coin significantly went down. And on the same breath, you know, in a span of 18 days, the price went higher 569%. This is crazy, guys. Sana nauunawaan po ninyo, hindi po ito, kumbaga sa salita nga, parang sorry for the word use, no, karumal-dumal po itong ganitong volatility because this can kill a beginner in a manner of speaking. When I say kill a beginner, this can wipe you out. Miranda, sobrang lalaki po ng candle. This can make someone earn 1,000%. But this can make someone get wiped out. Okay? And on the past, bakit nagkaroon ng pag-akyat ito? Why is this going up again? Because meron pong update si Binance, no, on Lunsi or Luna. Okay, meron silang update, Miranda. 2 days ago, they're going to burn all Lunsi trading fees. Ito po yung update. No? So tumaas na naman itong coin na to following a risk-on scenario. Sabi nila, hoy, teka lang, we're going to burn all Lunsi. So syempre yung mga tao, deflationary yung mindset. Okay, we're gonna be burning. Okay, bilhin na natin. Kukunti na yung supply niyan. Di ba? So ano nangyari 2 days ago? The price went up again. 2 days ago, September 26 onwards, humataw na naman yung price, guys. Humataw na naman to almost 54%. And then only to go down again. Only to go down again. Right? To almost 21%. This is crazy. This is significantly crazy. If you open Bollinger Bands, guys, if you open Bollinger Bands, let's actually try to understand this further, no? If you go to Bollinger Band and let's click on the price range, no? From a volatility perspective, the coin is significantly volatile, 28% on a 4 hours, On a 4 hours. Let's click on 1 day. In 1 day alone, guys, in 1 day alone, on a 1 day candle time frame, yung kandila po niya kasing laki po ng 41.8%. Ganun po kalaki yung kandila. Yung isa pong baba, from middle to the lower limit. Tapos pag paakyat naman, it's gonna be the same, almost 42. So net-net, the volatility of this candle can be as big as 82%, guys. 82%. So, ang galaw ng isang kandila pwedeng humataw, mag-draw down ng 82%. Pumunta ka ng Bitcoin, can you see the same? Let's look at the same trend for Bitcoin. And let's click on 1 day. Okay, let's click on 1 day. And let's click on the same Bollinger Band. Okay, let's click on the same Bollinger Band. And if you click on Bollinger Band 20, let's just click on the 20 days, the past 20 days, Miranda, no? So we'll see the past 20 days, how big is this going to be? All right, you notice only 9.95%. 9.95% for 1 day. Okay? For 1 day, we're using the same measurement and algorithm. It's Bollinger Band 20 days with 2 standard deviations or 2 sigma. So it's 41% versus a Bitcoin of 9%. So ibig sabihin, 500 times higher ang volatility, okay, ang volatility ni Lunsi versus Bitcoin. So yung mga taong na-FOMO dyan, okay, bato-bato sa langit, tamawag mong magagalit, yung mga taong na-FOMO dyan kay Lunsi, you have 5 times greater exposure and being wiped out or getting liquidated on trading an extremely volatile coin. So mag-iingat tayo. This is a very, very volatile coin. I need everyone to be serious about this because this can really wipe you out. You only enter where there is obviously a confirmation or confluence. Enter if you have 3 or more confluences. Use your Miranda minor system. Diba? But the good news is, I have a good news for you. Kung gusto nyo namang kumita, ito yung hahanapin yung coin. If you wanted to scalp, maghanap kayo ng mga coin, at least meron ka makikitang 30% volatility. Yan yung masarap laruin because the swings can be really, really wide. Diba? You can really look for good swings there. Ngayon, kailangan magaling ka, kailangan mabilis ka, kailangan alam mo yung ginagawa mo. I remember I was talking to a student yesterday pagkatapos ng live natin. Meron akong quick assess. I don't know if he's listening right now. Meron akong quick assessment sa kanya. Sabi ko, sige, tingnan mo tong dalawang coin na to. So I've asked him. Sabi ko sa kanya, tingnan mo tong coin na to. Yan. So I've shown to him CHZ, for example. Yan. May nakita ko to. Yan. Sabi ko, okay, take a look at this coin, pare. Sabi ko, tingnan mo tong coin na to. Alright. So remove mo Bollinger Band. I was just asking him a plain question kasi magiging parang prelude natin for the Fibonacci class to. Sabi ko sa kanya, tell me, bakit ito nag-bounce dyan? What are your potential scenarios? Ang dami niyang sinagot, walang tumama. Diba? Okay, bakit ito nag-bounce dyan? Diba? Hindi niya masagot. Samantalang, if you just quickly go on from the swing low to swing high, yan yan, no? 618 to. Diba? And that's the problem to many of us. We don't know when we cannot see where to enter. Sayang, nasasayangan ako sa mga sayang na mga hindi nyo napapasok na entries. Samantalang yung iba, pasok na pasok yung mga entries. Pasok na pasok yung mga entries. Anyways, so, dahil sa ang dami pong risk on, risk off scenario. When you say risk on, the market is adding or buying to the coin because there is a good, news, no? Tapos risk off naman, when there's a bad news, the market is selling. So talagang risk on, risk off yung asset. So ang nangyayari, what's actually happening is the market is, creating extreme volatility to the coin. Kawawang hilong-talilong ng mga beginners na wipe out. So be careful, Miranda. At isang swing ng coin na to, 42% yung hataw. If you use more than 50x dyan, ako, talo ka, Miranda. Ingat po, napakalalaki ng candles na to. No, again, wala pong masama gumamit ng big leverage. I want to clarify that. Just make sure you know what type of volatility you're actually entering for as well. Alright, ito na. Listen carefully, Listen carefully. Ito na. So, sino naman itong taong ito? Sino naman ito? This guy is the FTX president. No? If you guys would have recalled, si FTX CEO si Sam Bankman-Fried. Okay? Sam Bankman-Fried. So, itong presidente na lang nag-resign. So they're going to change. Going to change. Yan. Si Brett Harrison, nag-resign to. Sabi niya, oh, but I'm going to do the advisory role na lang. So balik tayo ng konti, ano ba yung istorya dyan? If you recall, sabi of course nakita niyo naman sa news, no? But he actually joined FTX after he worked to around 2 years on Citadel Securities, no? Tapos he also spent 7 years at Jane Street, no? Na dyan po nanggaling si Sam Bankman-Fried or Fried, no? Diyan po nanggaling yung founder ng FTX. So, syempre, kinuha niya. Siguro, nagalingan siya dyan, kinuha niya ngayon as presidente. So, sabi niya, okay, I'm going to be going and I'm going to be very, very excited. Sabi niya sa tweet niya, I'm gonna be very, very, very excited on the journey together. Yan. Yan na. So, isang taong link is si Sam Bankman-Fried. Alright. Pangalawa, sino na naman ito, coach? Who is this guy? Who is this guy? This one at the bottom. This one. This guy, okay, this guy is the Celsius CEO na nag-resign din. Nag-resign din. Bakit? Siyempre, di ba? Part siya ng discussion doon sa Chapter 11 na final for bankruptcy protection. Ito na. Listen carefully. Ang nangyari, bibilhin ni Sam Bankman-Fried or Fried, okay? Gusto ko Fried eh. Yung company. Okay? Yung company. If you recall, Celsius got bankrupt because yung lending space na wipe out yan, 'di ba, around June? Na wipe out sila. 'Di ba? So nagkaroon ng industry-wide crash. Remember, I was in the States, June 11. Sunod-sunod 'yon. CPI went on the worst CPI ever. Tapos doon sa crypto conference nagwawala, sinasabi sorry, I slip on my head, no? But sinasabi nung isang sobrang galing na nagkumuha ng asylum in Russia, itong US programmer na to. Sabi niya, I see some risks in crypto, in Bitcoin. Although inadmit niya he's using cryptocurrency to make payments before kasi gusto niya magtago ng sarili niya. 'Di ba? So ito na nga. Di ba nag-collapse sila? Let's look first. Ano ba yung Chapter 11? Chapter 11, Miranda, is what you call bankruptcy protection. Magkaiba yan, ha? Merong iba-iba po yan, no? There's a Chapter 11 na tinatawag for local companies, and there's actually Chapter 11 for international companies. Okay? So may mga bankruptcy yan, no? For Chapter 11, people file or companies would file for a Chapter 11 to file for bankruptcy protection. Ibig sabihin yan, magre-reorganization yan para lahat ng creditors niya, yung mga debtors niya, mabayaran niya yan. Ngayon, they're going to look for someone that will take over to do the bankruptcy protection. Yan. Normally, for Chapter 11, ito yung medyo very mabusisi. No, ito rin yung napakamahal na form ng bankruptcy proceeding kasi syempre kailangan bulat-latin mo lahat 'yan. Ba't kayo na bankrupt? Ano nangyari? For them to be able to know how are they going to do the restructuring of the business. Most especially ang concern din yung mga creditors and yung mga debtors, 'di ba? So, they're going to file for a Chapter 11 para tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang kanilang business. Huwag na tayong lumayo. Chapter 11. Chapter 11, Philippine Airlines. Miranda. Okay. Meron pong Chapter 11 sa Pilipinas with Philippine Airlines. Kailangan lang po niyan ng someone to be able to help. Yan. Diba? They need to have someone to be able to help them reorganize. No, it's not necessarily bad. They just need to make sure that they reorganize. We're gonna be looking at all of the top-heavy costs, repurpose some of that. And again, I'm not expert, no, but I'm just saying, me on my experience with big and multinational companies, we're a bit aware of these types of discussions. Ibig sabihin, ito na nga nangyari, no? So fast forward tayo. Celsius, di ba? Tinanggal yung CEO. Sinong papalit? Sinong pumasok? Ito na. Sam Bankman-Fried CEO, Celsius. Pusa natin. News. Ito na. Ito na. Now, he's coming to the picture. He's coming to the picture and he's going to get Celsius. Guys, how big is Celsius? Billions ang asset. Magkano ibabayad niya? Okay? He's going to be paying, ito na, 1.4. Okay, listen. According to Bloomberg, anonymous source revealed that the news adding FTX is also planning to raise $1 billion for the new funding round. Latest development shortly after FTX won the auction of the assets of struggling crypto firm Voyager Digital, kinuha niya si Voyager, 1.4 billion. Okay. FTX beat bidders like Binance and emerged as a winner. Carefully, listen ha. Si Sam Bankman-Fried, CZ. Sam Bankman-Fried, CZ. Si Sam Bankman-Fried, kinuha niya si FTX siya eh. Di ba? FTX siya. Guys, if you don't know FTX, who is FTX? FTX is also a trading. No, it's actually a trading platform. It's a cryptocurrency exchange. It's also a cryptocurrency exchange. So ito na. Listen carefully. So ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari? So ang gusto ni Sam Bankman-Fried, okay, kukunin ko si Voyager. Gaano kalaki si Voyager? Let's look at it. Voyager bankruptcy. Ayan. Ito na. So kinuha niya, kukunin niya. 'Di ba? So si Voyager, 1.4 billion worth of assets. Kukunin yan. Ito na. Pangalawa naman, meron siyang Voyager. May FTX na siya. Meron na siyang tinatawag na Celsius naman. Celsius, Sam Bankman-Fried. Okay, tingnan natin. Ito na. Si Kuya Sam, makikipag-bid na naman siya to get Celsius. To get Celsius. Diba? So, meron siyang FTX. Meron siyang Voyager. Meron na siyang Celsius. Okay? Celsius lending. Yan. Okay. Let's now go with, let's try to see if it's in Wiki. No? If they have full disclosure in Wiki. Okay. Celsius Network. Okay. A total of, let's see. Okay, in millions, we'll see 2021, 115 million, we're good. Okay, so assets worth 12 billion. Okay, lent 8 billion and had almost 12 billions of AUM. Okay, so 12 billion, Celsius, Voyager. Anong meron? 'Di ba? Anong meron? Ito na. So, ang tingin natin, merong something brewing. Ang tingin ko, something's brewing here, Miranda. Something's brewing here. For someone like this guy who's actually buying, and besides, alam mo, pasalamat tayo sa kanya. Kasi kung dito tumulong tong billionaire na to, sabog ang cryptocurrency in a manner of speaking. Bakit? Buti nga tumulong yan eh. 'Di ba? Sinisave niya yung mga sales. Ang dami pong hindi maniniwala sa crypto. I think he did a very good job avoiding a crypto winter, Miranda. Dapat crypto winter na tayo noong June. Everyone is already out of the game. Everyone is already out of the game here because everyone's already wiped out. Simula tayo ng Luna, wiped out 11 billion. Celsius, 8 billion. People that were lent, pinahiram. We're using a 12 billion AUM. Voyager, 3 Arrow Capital, billions pong pinag-uusapan. And people were just killing themselves because it's their hard-earned money. Enter Sam Bankman-Fried. 'Di ba? Cryptocurrency quant, napakatalinong bata niyan. 'Di ba? And gumawa siya ng sarili niyang company. Ayan, lumaki. Now he's buying. He's doing the buying spree. 'Di ba? Unlike si Sailor, bili ng Bitcoin. Ito naman, bili ng companies that are into crypto. Si CZ, nagbibid din. They wanted to bid. 'Di ba? Here's what I think is going to happen. Okay? One, I think it's good that people are stepping in, the billionaires with the letter B in their zip code are stepping in. But more importantly, number two, nakikita po nila kung gaano po ka-profitable ang mga brokers. You need to remember, listen carefully ha, unlike mga government-regulated stock market brokerages or stock market online brokerages, pag tumaya ka sa stock market, meron ka kaagad 1.19% sales tax when you buy. So when you enter, negative ka, hindi po slippage, negative ka kaagad. So may tax agad. Sa crypto ba may nagtatax sa Pilipinas? Sa States meron. Diba? So napaka-profitable na business. Diba? So ang question is, ikaw, pinapayaan mo ba sila by just losing your trades? Diba? So what's in it for us? What's in it for us? I think, Miranda, what I'm noticing here is that umiikot yung mundo natin into big names eh. Hoskinson, Vitalik, Kwon, meron pa yung CEO ng USDD, si Tron, mayabang din yun. Sorry for it's my only opinion eh, no? Sabi ko, iwasan nyo ng konti si Tron. Medyo wanting to become another, ayoko na magsalita. Ano pa ba? Now, not just CZ, napakagaling na mindset na businessman and alam mo yun yung mindset niya in terms of building a community. Ngayon, meron na silang Binance Live. Diba? Sam Bankman-Fried. I think what's going to happen, Miranda, is at the end of the day, I think we're going to look for big names in this industry. So even if it's decentralized, there's going to be people, leaders, thought leaders, investors na talagang lalabas ang pangalan. And I think, why not? Why not? If you are going to earn this much, di ba? Kulang na lang maglabas siya ng sarili niyang coin. Di ba? Like si CZ may Binance. Di ba? Si Vitalik may Ethereum. Di ba? And who knows, meron silang mga tokens na may ini-investan for sure because marami siyang mga investment arm. But at the end of the day, meron akong iniisip, no, na potential ding pwedeng mangyari. Mga hinuha lang natin, kumbaga mga ideas natin. Potentially kasi pwedeng mangyari is there could be, again, no, this is just me talking, there could be some big whales that are really known pero baka magkaroon ng, pakita ko sa inyo ha, ito. Okay, may mga ganitong hindi ko alam kung nandito pa to ngayon ha. Okay, I don't know if it's still here, no? Okay. Okay. May mga opinions about this. Hindi ako to ha, I'm just rehashing in my show ha. Okay. May mga nababasa ako mga opinions na may mga nagpa-pump. Okay? May mga nagpa-pump ng coin. Yan. Yan. What is the issue behind major pump across all crypto? Yan. 'Di ba? May mga potential lingin. I'm not saying that he's linked into this. Yan. Yung Luna pump, yung couple of things are being attributed into at least recovery. Binibili nila Sam yung mga company na nawawala. Celsius, magpa-pump yan. May bumili kasi. Naayos na yung Chapter 11. Tayo naman mga traders. Doon tayo sa mga coin na nagpa-pump daw. Diba? Ano pa? Ano pa yung mga pwedeng effect nito? Luna, may effect in terms of dumping. People buying like Sam is creating an artificial pump. Diba? Maraming scenarios, maraming potential context. Pwedeng maging sample scenario is, merong kilala CZ. Bawat sabihin ni CZ nagpa-pump yung coin. Bawat sabihin ni Elon nagpa-pump yung coin. Sabihin ni Sam ngayon nagpa-pump din yung coin. Here's my message here, Miranda. Here's my message here, okay? As a retailer, okay, fine. They're going to go around, blah, blah, blah. These are the centralized companies because they are regulated, no? Decentralized meaning wala silang P&L, it's a crypto. Them being centralized, Miranda, here's my point. We are probably going into a direction of seeing the names like Sam, kilala yan for Solana, FTX, di ba? CZ, kilala sa Binance, BNB. Vitalik, kilala sa Ethereum. We need to be very, very careful. Kapag nakakakita po tayo ng mga pump, tulad po nito, pakita ko po ulit sa inyo ha. If we're actually tinanggal ko na po yung coin na yun sa aking watchlist to be honest with you. If we're actually going to see these types of coins like sell, okay? If we see these types of coins, mag-iingat po tayo. Okay? Because I think and I believe that there's gonna be a time, okay, when these people will become very, 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 very influential at kahit anong salita nila can create a pump and a dump. And again, nothing's wrong with them helping, Miranda, ha? What I'm trying to say is we need to be very, very, very careful because the market is reactive on many news around these types of people. So wag tayong magpapakabida-bida pag nakita natin, oy, magpa-pump na yan si Luna. Okay na ulit. Di ba? Okay na ulit yan. Always bear in mind that the market is reacting to the people that they see, the people who are managing these types of companies, and there's always gonna be what you call a cool-off phase. Okay, so nagkawalaan sila, okay, fine. O, bumili ng company ito, okay, fine. O, merong magandang bull run, okay, fine. O, merong taxation na sinabi si Binance, okay, fine. Okay, meron tayong announcement na Binance is going to burn Luncy. Okay, fine. Maganda yan. Diba? Maganda yan. At the end of the day, right now, kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong mga news, mga pangalan magkarigo doon, what's potentially going to be happening is that people can influence the journey of the coin so much that can create more volatility to the coin. My point here is that pag nakakita po kayo ng mga ganyang movements, announcements, pangalan, nagpalit, ngayon, they're buying all of the companies already. They want to be known. They want to be like a CZ. Let's become very, very, very careful, Miranda. Because not all news will always create a consistent momentum to the coin. There's what you call a cool-off phase. And when the cool-off phase happens, at yung kawawan trader na umasa na aakyat sana yung coin, no? Na hindi marunong gumamit ng TLSBD, ayun, naipit doon sa taas. Yan po ang ating concern. Okay? Maraming ganyan kami. Marami pong news ngayon, to be honest. Kaya nga inuuna ko lagi big market reading, big market reading, big market reading. Big market reading. Lagi ko nang inuuna yan. Kasi I think the market can follow the bigger market. And if the bigger market, in this particular case, Nasdaq, can potentially go down, Bitcoin can potentially go down, kawawa ang taong hindi marunong. Yan po ang aking news for today. Meron pa akong gusto mong sabihin. Ayoko lang sabihin on air on what do I think on what's happening right now. I need to do more research before ko sabihin sa inyo. Kumbaga, secret muna natin yon. As to why I keep on hearing people buying companies here and there and there. Diba? Tingin ko merong intention. Ayoko lang sabihin online. Right? Pero, kung ano man yon, ang mas mahalaga dito, ang reminder ko sa inyo, news are all around about these types of individuals. What will matter for you is kung ano ang laman ng wallet mo. Wala kang pakialam kung kahit anong news meron dyan. Ang pakialam mo, yung laman ng wallet mo, are you going to be able to preserve your capital so at least when October comes in, meron ka pa ring pera, hindi ka wipe out. Hindi ka pasok ng pasok, hindi ka na-FOMO kasi lumilipad yung coin only to go down. That is always the problem of a trader na hindi marunong at hindi na laging pasok ng pasok. No? Yan po ang ating show for tonight. I hope na kayo po ay nagkaroon ng a little bit of reminder, no, na kumbaga meron kang tickle dyan sa iyong puso na, hoy, teka lang. Maraming news. The market will react to the news. Ayan, no, di ba? The market is going to react to the news. Ang kawawa dyan, yung mga trader na, ay, sige, akit na yan. Bibigay ko na yung buong buhay ko. Oh, di mo yan. 2 days, umakyat yung coin. Nag-cool off, bumaba. Anong nangyari? Nagkaroon ng correction line dito. Ayun, bumaba na. Diba? Nag-all in, binigyan niya yung buong buhay niya dyan. Di, yan, akala niya akit ng akit. Ang problema dyan, hindi nakaakyat dito, hindi nakaakyat dito, di ba? Nalaman niya umaakit na yung coin, nandito na yung price, hinabol pa din niya. Hindi nagplano, ayun, bumaba po ng nagpaka-sobra-sobra. Siguro na-wipe out siya. Tapos nung na-wipe out siya dito, umakit na naman yung coin. Ay, ano ba yun? Naiwan ako. I was left behind. Kawawa naman ako. Diba? And that's always what's happening sa mga hindi nagpaplano. Tapos ito na. Eh di umakyat na. Ayun na naman, di na naman nagpaplano. Hanggang saan na naman to aakyat ka, Miranda? Diba? Swing low to swing high na naman tayo. Hanggang saan? On this particular case, 382. Oh, 382. Nako, iba na naman dyan. Na-FOMO na naman siguro. Let's go down. Let's go down to the cup. Ayan na. Ayan na. Nagko-correct na. Diba? Na-FOMO na naman. Kung kailan umakyat na iwan, pumasok na naman dito. Nung pumasok siya dito sa dulo, bumaba na naman yung price na coin. Nako, ang portfolio niya puro pula. Hindi nagpaplano. Tuloy ang buhay niya. Diba? Parang source of charity nangyayari. Ingat ha. Okay. Anyways. That is our topic for today, Miranda, no? Again, the overall gist is marami po tayong mga pangalan, people are buying companies. I mean, porke, 'di ba? I mean, ano bang sabi, ano ba yun sa Spanish? Sorry, in French is pourquoi, 'di ba? So what? 'Di ba? For what? 'Di ba? So, I mean, at the end of the day, what matters for you is kung ano man nangyayari dyan sa mga taong yan, hayaan mo sila. Ang mahalaga dyan, alam mo na yung mga price ng coin na binabantayan mo, nag-aangat yan. Celsius, umaangat. Di ba? Lunsi, umaangat. Ikaw, nafo-FOMO ka. Di ba? Kasi umaangat yung coin. Di ba? Dahil sa mga taong ito. Ano pakialam mo sa kanila? What's important is your wallet. And you're able to plan all of your trades that you have. Right? For you to be able to use that money as a source of income for you, Miranda. All right. By the way, guys, again, looking forward to have each and every one of you in our show, in our Open University tomorrow. At wag po makakalimot mag-always plano ng mga trades ninyo. And I hope that all of you are always safe. You're always good. Magplano ng trades lagi. Mag-antay ng October mid. At unless mag-breakout si Bitcoin ng malaki, di okay tayo lahat. Otherwise, trade the micro swings. Always plan for your exit and always plan for your entry. And I hope that you're gonna be very, very, focused on getting to know ba't ka ba natatalo, ba't ka nananalo. Diba? So, ayun ang aking spin for today. Kasi ang daming news eh. Mga news natin, itong CEO na to, bumili, si Saylor bumili. Puro CEO yung news eh. Yung CEO ng MicroStrategy, chairman ng MicroStrategy, bumili na naman ng Bitcoin. Si Doko, nawawala, CEO. Si Sam Bankman-Fried, tinanggal yung presidente niya. Di ba? Si Brett Harris, nag-resign, FTX. Di ba? Yung CEO ng Celsius, wala na rin, nag-resign. Puro CEO yung balita. Ano pang balita? Siyempre, yung CEO ng Miranda Minor Group, live ngayon sa Binance. Yun po yung another news. Diba? CEO ng Global Miranda Minor Group, nagkaroon ng panibagong company called Face Gold, lalabas na ng mid-October. Yung mga bagong news din natin. Diba? Ay mga balita eh. Ganyan yung mga balita ngayon. Kawawa dyan yung mga traders, hindi nag-iisip, hindi nagpaplano. At hula lang ng hula, ay tataas na yan, sige na. Diba? Nagkaroon na naman ng negative news. Ay, kawawa talaga mga traders, no? Kawawa talaga. Ay, nako, kung kailangan talaga mag-live araw-araw para matulungan, di ba? Kailangan ganun, kailangan araw-araw ka mag-remind, di ba? Araw-araw ka magsabi, teka lang, ito muna papasukin mo. Ito yung resistance. Ito, maging patient ka din minsan, kailangan mo tayong umakit yung coin. Maximize mo yung dulo, pag bumaba na, bitawan mo. Magantay ka din, wag ka kaagad mag-withdraw. Kailangan meron kang plan for exit para maka 400% ka din. Diba? O kaya pag nag-correct, kunin mo pa pababa. Diba? Anyways, siguro mas makukuha nyo yan when you get to know our masterclass for Fibonacci. Magbaon ng maraming energy. Okay? Heads up, yung ating Fibonacci masterclass will be full of exercises and full of questions and full of lecture. Abangan niyo yan. Okay, Miranda, maraming salamat sa iyo. Sana nagustuhan mo ang ating show for today. At ako nagustuhan ko yung show ko today. Medyo I feel good about my show for today. And again, thank you to all of you who keep on watching our show every day, Miranda. God bless you at maraming salamat. Batiin ko lang yung mga nasa show natin today, sa mga nasa live natin, mga moderators, Clarice, Kuya Dan, Just Penny, Bri, maraming salamat. Okay? At marami, no? Mga nanonood sa atin ngayon sa mga live show po, sa mga chat room po natin. Yan. Alright, sabi ni Mark Max, classmate ko, coach, nadali sa SHIB, 10K niya nalusaw. Sabi niya. Neil Nisi Ryan, excited na siya sa Saturday class. Pa-shoutout po, coach. Ang thank you po sa Malasaki. Thank you. K-Gen, 3 hours yan, yung Fib Master class natin. Ma-inspire sa win ng iba, Miranda, hindi ma-hype. Tama, that's a very good reminder, Ate Clarice. Thank you. Yan. Alright, ang dami messages. Super ganda po ng show ngayon ko. Maraming salamat. May mentor ka rin ba dati? Meron. Mentor ako sa pag-trade. Meron po. Shout out Jade. Hello. Yan. Kulots. Thank you. Mac. Dusty. Maraming salamat. Raymond. Elisis. J-Fig. Christian. At Dustin. Salamat. Uy. Alright, maayong banggi sa Indot naman. Alas 10 na po, no? Maray na banggi. Mag-ilingan po tayo sa Sarong Aldao or sa next day po. At for the Bicolanos, dalhin nyo yung mga kapwa natin dito sa ating show. At sana po kayo po ay natuto again for our show for tonight. God bless you. Ay, sabi ni Tips for Life, Mrs. ko nag-enroll sa inyo kasi hindi niya mabigyan ng time dahil sa business ng mama niya. Pwede po ba akong mag-take over sa course ng OFW? Sige, paki-email si Elite University, Tips for Life. Sige. Yan. Sabi ni Crypto Ken, inalay yung buong buhay. Lap trip daw siya. Alright guys, salamat. God bless you. I love you 3,000 and salamat, Miranda. Bye-bye. Salamat.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Gotta taste